may nag-crave. Yung iba tawag dito cheat meal. Pero ano lang, calorie counting lang kami, naka-deficit pa rin kami, kaya eto, enjoy. So ganun lang gawin nyo guys. Hindi yung nakatayo, hindi yung jogging, hindi yung running. Kung gusto nyo lang naman pumayat, mas konti yung kain, mas maraming galaw. Kung gusto nyo ng muscle, kailangan nyo mag-lift ng weights para magka-muscle. Kung gusto nyo i-burn yung stored fat after lifting weights, walking. Ang jogging at running, para siyang lifting weights. So, mas maganda, build muscle na lang, di ba? Tapos walking. Yun lang, therapeutic. Enjoy nyo lang.
Huwag kayong ma-stress magpapayat. Enjoy nyo lang yung process.
Tsaka huwag kayong magmadali.
Kasi it takes time.
Love what you do and do what you love to the person you love most.
Bye-bye.
Ubus na yung akin. Enjoy.